In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell print-on-demand hats on Shopify. If you're interested in starting an online business, or perhaps you're looking to expand your current offerings, selling print-on-demand hats can be a fantastic way to tap into a growing market. Let's dive in and get started with setting up your Shopify store to sell these trendy and customizable hats. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify account. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand sidebar on your Shopify admin dashboard. You'll see a variety of options there, but the one we're interested in today is Products. Click on Products to open up the section where you can manage all your store's inventory. Now, with the Products section open, you'll notice a button labeled Add Product. This is the gateway to listing new items in your store, so go ahead and click on that button. This is where you'll start creating a new listing specifically for your print-on-demand hats. Once you've clicked Add Product, you'll be taken to a new page where you can start filling in the details about your hat. Begin by entering a descriptive title, something that will catch the eye of potential customers. Next, you'll want to write a compelling description. This is your chance to tell the story of your product, highlight its unique features, and explain why your customers would absolutely love to have it. Remember to choose your best photo that showcases the hat. A high-quality image is crucial because it's the first thing your customers will notice. As you scroll down, you'll come across fields where you can enter the price, SKU, and other details about your hat. Be sure to set a competitive price that reflects the quality and uniqueness of your product. The SKU is especially important for keeping track of your inventory, so make sure it's unique to this particular hat. Once you've filled out all the necessary fields and double-checked that everything looks good, it's time to save all your hard work. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Save button. This action will officially add your hat to your store's inventory, making it available for customers to purchase. And that's it! You've successfully added a print-on-demand hat to your Shopify store. Selling print-on-demand hats can be a rewarding venture, offering you the flexibility to create unique and personalized products without the hassle of managing inventory. Just remember to market your new product through social media and other channels to reach a broader audience. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy selling!